Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off hints in Farm Heroes Saga. If you want to turn off the hints in Farm Heroes Saga so that you can enjoy a more challenging and strategic gameplay experience, then this tutorial is beginner friendly for you. First of all, launch Open Farm Heroes Saga application on your Android device or your iOS device and wait for the main screen to load. Once you're inside this main menu, tap on the menu button at the bottom left corner. From here, in the expanded menu, click on Accessibility. Under Accessibility option, click on the toggle button right next to in-game hints and make sure that it is turned off. Soon after you turn that off, now you can enjoy a more strategic and challenging match experience. So that's how you can easily turn off in-game hints on Farm Heroes Saga. Now if you start the game, you will notice that you are not hinted on which move to make next. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.